In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to point a domain you already own to your Teachable school so your students see a professional, on-brand web address. Before we start, make sure you already have a domain, like yourdomain.com, and that you can log into your domain registrar to view DNS settings. This is the same place where you originally bought your domain. It's a good idea to have that tab open, because Teachable will reference it. You don't need to change anything yet. Just be ready. Now, log into your Teachable admin. If you manage more than one school, glance at the top of your dashboard to confirm you're in the right one. From the main navigation, go to Site, then choose Domains. This area is where your current Teachable subdomain lives and where you'll add your custom domain. Think of it as the control center for how people reach your school. Click Add Domain. Teachable will prompt you to enter your custom domain. Type your domain carefully, and be sure to include the www version. For example, if you own yourdomain.com, enter www.yourdomain.com. Many providers use the www host as the primary entry point, and including it here helps Teachable know exactly which host you intend to connect. Avoid adding HTTP or HTTPS, and don't include any extra paths, just the clean domain. Next, click Add. Teachable will create a record for your domain and may show it as pending while it checks formatting and prepares connection details. You might see on-screen guidance that references your DNS settings. This is why you needed access to your registrar account. If Teachable displays any values or host names, keep the page open so you can refer back to them. It's normal for connections like this to take some time to finalize, since DNS can take a while to propagate across the internet. If things don't appear connected right away, give it some time and then check back. A few quick tips while you wait. Double-check that you entered your domain with the correct spelling and make sure you didn't add spaces or punctuation. If your registrar has any existing conflicting records for that host, that can delay recognition. Once the connection is established, your school will become accessible through your new custom address, and you'll enjoy a seamless, branded experience for your audience. That's it. You've added your custom domain in Teachable, and you're on your way to a polished, professional online presence.